is this? What is this? It's an elephant, elephant, elephant. E is for elephant, big and wise, waving trunks up to the skies. What's this? What is this? It's a fox, fox, fox. F is for fox, clever and quick, leaping over the grassy slick. What is this? What is this? It's a giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. G's for giraffe, neck so high, nibbling leaves up in the sky. What is this? What is this? It's a hedgehog, hedgehog, hedgehog. H is for hedgehog, tiny and round, rolling gently on the ground. What's this? What's this? It's an iguana, iguana, iguana. Eyes for iguana, scaly and green, resting where the leaves are seen. What's this? What is this? It's a jellyfish, jellyfish, jellyfish.